point is every human-to-human contact is a chance for the virus to spread. So more contacts means a higher likelihood of an outbreak.
He's got to come up with a solution, because we can't stay like this. We can't live. We both have homes, we both have families, and we got to feed them.
Right now at 6, the push and pull of lifting coronavirus restrictions. Most of southwestern Pennsylvania not among the 24 counties that will be allowed to reopen next Friday.
But counties like Lawrence that aren't too far away will start reopening. Take a look at this map. About a third of Pennsylvania's counties will reopen next Friday, but those areas only account for about 11% of Pennsylvania's population. In fact, when you add up the populations of Allegheny and Westmoreland counties, it's actually more people than who live in those 24 counties.
Yeah, that's right, Lisa. We know that's one of the many factors the state considered in its decision. Our live Team 11 coverage continues now at 6 with Channel 11's Rick Earl, and Rick is live on the breaking news desk. Rick, what else did this decision come down to?
Yeah, David, apparently it all came down to what's called population density, or the 1.2 million residents of Allegheny County, because 10 of the 11 counties right here in southwestern Pennsylvania, including Allegheny, met all the governor's other benchmarks. Still, they're not allowed to reopen. This afternoon, I asked the Secretary of Health why.
The Southwest region is not yet moving from red to yellow because, particularly in Allegheny County and in Pittsburgh, because of population density.
The Secretary of Health explaining why Allegheny County and southwestern Pennsylvania didn't make the cut to reopen on May 8th. Even though Allegheny County has met the threshold for fewer cases, expanded testing, contact tracing, and hospitals that haven't been overwhelmed. The Secretary says they evaluated all the data.
But then taking consideration our ability to work with counties in terms of contact tracing and testing, and the population density of Allegheny County and Pittsburgh, that it was not prudent to go from red to yellow at this time.
Allegheny County Executive Rich Fitzgerald suspected that might be the case because regions allowed to reopen have seen far fewer cases. Fitzgerald now optimistic the county will be included in a new wave of reopening soon.
I'm optimistic about a May 15th if we continue the numbers in the direction that they've been.
Included in the 24 counties allowed to reopen, 5 counties just north of Pittsburgh: Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Clarion, and Jefferson. Many businesses in those areas will be allowed to reopen on May 8th, following CDC guidelines. But gyms, movie theaters, and hair salons will remain closed. Restaurants only allowed to deliver or take out. The governor, meanwhile, didn't lay out a timeline for reopening more counties, but offered hope to the Pittsburgh region.
In particular, we have our eyes on the counties in the southwest and a few in the south central region that have lower new case rates.
Now, County Executive Fitzgerald has repeatedly mentioned the possibility of a May 15th reopening for Allegheny County, but the governor said today he hadn't thought about the next wave yet. Reporting live at the breaking news desk this evening, Rick Earl, Channel 11 News.